Hey y'all, Josh with JT Unrestricted here. I'm out of the waterfowl impoundment today. And today's one of the days I don't really have a specific species or type of way to catch a fish in mind. I'm just gonna go hit the creek and see what we can get. Good start. There we go. Alright. First fish of the day, nice little creek bass. Let's get him back in the water. He's in the Rebel Crick Hopper. It's a good start with it. Let's see what else we can get. Something hit it. I missed it. I was too worried about that debris over there. There's some rocks and little sticks right in there. Oh, bluegill with it. Look at that. You guys got some big eyes. How are you gonna eat that thing? Alright. Well, it's going good so far with the crick hopper. If you see how I'm working this, it's not much to it. Just kind of pull it, let it pause for a second, it'll float up, and they usually will hit it on that pause. Kind of vary it up a little bit how much you're pausing. Sometimes I just pull it right in, just reel it right in. Just continuous, no pause. Another little bluegill. Man, that kind of looks like a hybrid. Little guy, he looks like a hybrid. Really bluegill looking. He's got the coloration here and the streaks on his face of a green sunfish. It's a pretty fish. Alright, that's gonna do it for this spot. Move on down the creek a little bit, see what we can get. Bluegill. Come on. Okay. Yeah. That one's actually perfect size for bait. So I'm gonna take that one with me. I've got my crappie jig here. I'll put a link in the description so you can see what I'm using. Check them out, grab one if you're interested. Really good all-around bait. You catch bass, crappie, bluegill, warmouth. I've even caught a channel cat on one out of a creek. There was another nibble there, a little bluegill. But very versatile, easy to use bait. I love it in creeks. Another nibble. There must be tiny little bluegill in there. Yep, you see one right there. The old stuck in the tree. You gotta get it swinging, swinging, and pop it. And it works most of the time. Let's see if we can get a fish in the water. I mean, you don't have to do much to work these. Just tiniest little taps, get it to hop up and down. You can just slow draw it right back to you. Let it sink for a second. Just give it a couple pops, and I just got hit right there. Another hit. They're just too small. There we go. That's a little crappie. Tiny little thing. I've caught some pretty big slabs out of here. This is definitely not one of them. Look at that little thing. A pretty fish. So small you can't even get your thumb. There we go. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna work my way down. See if there's some bowfin in here. Alright, I've got my bowfin bait just sitting waiting. While that's going on, I'm gonna Throw this crappie jig around, see if there's anything in here. Tiny little crop. There are some big ones in here, promise. There's a little better one. For whatever reason, the bowfin just aren't active today. I've been soaking this for about 30 minutes, and not that that's all that odd, but they're not even jumping anywhere. I'd usually see them jumping all over the place if they were real active in here. So I'm gonna take my way back up the creek on my way out, see what I can get. Give this one more cast over here and go back to where I started. Finally. No crappie. Pretty fish. Well, now that I got one, I'm gonna throw another cast. If I don't land on this one, I'll go back to where I started. Ooh, it hit. Yeah, got a crappie. Here's crappie. Might be the best one of the day. It's about time for me to call today. Give it a few more casts. See what we can get. About time for me to get home. Hey y'all, so ended up not catching any more. Had a good start there with that bass. Other than that, just some small little creek fish. That's usually how it goes out here, but still a good time. Thanks for watching. Check out the next video when it comes out.